Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a word wall out of 48 pieces of magic tape puzzle for sale. How to 1, 2, until this screen on away from you. Now, turn this balloon away from you. Now count for 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn this blue one towards you. Now turn this green one up. Now turn this white one up. Now turn this orange one down. Now count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn this blue one down. Now turn this blue one up. Now turn this orange one up. Now turn this blue one away from you. Now count 2, 1, 2, turn this green one up. Now turn this yellow one towards you. Now count 2, 1, 2, and turn this red one up. Now turn this orange one away from you. Now turn this yellow one up. Now count 2, 1, 2, and turn this blue one down. Now turn this blue one towards you. Now count 2, 1, 2, and turn this blue one to the right. Now turn this blue one up. Now turn this green one up. Now turn this white one down. Now count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn this green one down. Now turn this blue one up. Now turn this blue one up. Now turn this red one away from you. Now count for 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn this white one towards you. I mean yellow one towards you. Now turn this orange one towards you. This is what you're going to do on the other side. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please consider subscribing. Follow my Facebook page for more videos. Bye.